Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet and today we are going to learn how to make a pancake roll Thai style with the simple ingredients and simple steps. If you are ready, we're going to start jump right into the cooking. Alright everyone, welcome back and today we are going to make this savory dish. It's like a East meets West, so a combination of the Western style dessert pancakes combining with the Thai taste, the combination of banana, sweet chili paste and pork floss. You guys might think like, ew, what is that combination? But trust me, really delicious. We're going to start off by beating the egg, so make sure you get the fresh eggs to get the best result of this recipe. Alright, we're gonna beat up with the whisker here. And then we're going to add some of the sugar here. Add less if you're more cautious about your health. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk and then just whisk it together until it all well combined and the sugar dissolved. What are we looking for here is just to add the air into the batter. And now moving on to the next step we are going to do next is to add the flour into our batter. And this is going to just simply sift it and then add a little bit of salt together as well. Now just simply fold it together here, and it doesn't matter, you can just mix it with the whisker or you can use the spatula. Just make sure there's no lumps in your batter to get the best result and smooth, so no lumpy. So once we finish mixing, we are going to leave the batter here for like 15 to 20 minutes. It will rise a little bit and then we are coming back to do a next step. We're going to make a little bit more colorful of the pancake roll. So I'm going to split my batter into two parts. The first part I'm going to make is to add the green color. And today the choice of the green color are the combinations of two powders. The first thing is the matcha green tea. I really love matcha green tea. And then the next one I'm going to add to get a more vibrant green color is the kale powder. Now you can find the kale powder and the matcha green tea in any, I think, grocery store and department store supermarket will sell them. You get really nice and beautiful colors here. And just make sure that you mix it until it all well combined. Look at that, how beautiful batter it is. And to add a little bit more fancy into the cooking today, I'm going to experiment with charcoal. We used a lot in the Thai cooking, so this is made from the coconut husk. It is safe to eat. And we are going to make a life easier by adding into the squeeze bottle, so they'll be a very good in control the size and the portion of the pancake roll. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to add into my pancake rolls today. And the first one is a pork floss and the fresh banana and strawberries, and then I'm going to add one of my favorite spread. This is sweet Thai chili paste. And now we're going to move on to the next step. It's a fun part. We are going to start making our pancake roll. So I like to draw the square here just to know what size I'm going to make. So make sure that you spread it out evenly, not too thick and not too thin. If it's too thick, it will be very difficult to roll, and if too thin, it might breaking off. So the heat we're going to use is quite low heat, so it's going to be a really slow cook. I'm going to add a little bit of extra on the top there to get an additional white line there. Spread my sweet chili paste here. Is it quite savory? It's just sweet with very mild saltiness in there, and it's very savory, and it tastes amazing. And then I'm going to balance the flavor with the banana, and then to top it off with the pork floss. Oh, I love the taste of the pork floss. So it's the flavor we're looking for here is sweet, a little bit of saltiness in there. Look, it's just like a breakfast roll here. All right, your typical pancake would eat with maple syrup. And now I'm going to turn it to Thai style. So we add bananas, we add the sweet chili paste, and then we add the pork floss. Now the three combo flavor is very delicious. And we are going to do the same with the charcoal color. I'm going to speed things up a little bit so you can see the whole process here. And the next layer I'm going to do is to add the strawberries. So a slice of strawberries will be added into here. So you can go with the fruit flavors, or you can go with savory one, up to your creation. So don't limit your cooking creativity. Just experiment, try with everything, and then to see the result. Now just make sure when you roll, it's quite hot. Just be careful when you're touching this. So, and then just put it on the resting grills, and it will reduce the heat and to keep it in a tube shape. Alright, it's best to serve while it's still warm, and it's also fine if you want to put in the fridge and then enjoy it later. I did actually try, and I ate all of those because I have no one to share with. Oh, this is the sad part. I tell you what, I really enjoy this dish. Here you are. This is the end result from the cooking today. It's a simple recipe. It's a pancake roll Thai style. Adds a bunch of fruit, and then on top of that you get a very cool looking pancake roll. If you want to use this recipe to show off your next cooking, alright guys, I hope you like what you see here. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.